So this is a tour of my house in Animal Crossing. So my island is called Utopia. So I'll now take you to my house and you can have a look at all the rooms. That's Raymond's house, by the way. So this is where I live. Let's go inside and have a look at my front room. So I've chosen some brown and earthy tones for this front room. I've got my Animal Crossing themed Nintendo Switch. I've got a security camera, an Egyptian head statue. I've got some KK Slider songs on the wall and a pine cone Christmas tree. Also got a bug off trophy in the corner, if you'd noticed that. Anyway, this is my bedroom. It's a light blue themed. I've got lots of my villager photos on the wall, which means I have reached a certain level of friendship. Teddy bear, a diamond ring, and just somewhere to relax in the evening. That's lovely. So after the bedroom, I think it's time to go to the kitchen. Now the kitchen is a very, very busy place. I'm always cooking here. You can see there's my Yule log on the table and about to do some frying. Just turn on the cooker. There's something on TV, I don't know what it is, but I've got all my appliances and they all actually do something. They make a noise or activate somehow. This is my bathroom. I come here to relax. It's like a sanctuary. I've got my shower here. I've got my robe and my towel hanging up. I've got a toilet and a bidet, and they're all kind of interactive. So if you sit on the toilet and then when you get off, it will flush. So you can check that out. And just have a look around. This is my upstairs, and so it's like a kind of study and chill out zone. I've got my grand piano and a cello that I can't play, but the piano you can have a go at playing along with notes, and the notes somehow are supposed to match with the music that's playing in the room. I've got a TV up there. I've got TVs in every room because it's good to know what's going on. Looks like the news is on now. And this is the final room in my house. This is my basement, kind of chill out den zone again. And sorry, it's my gym and my relaxing place. As you can see over there, I've got my Nintendo Switch and my Nintendo Ring Fit so that I can have fun and enjoy. And it's a pirate theme as well. So long. Bye.